Hey guys, this is how to adjust the alternator belt in tension on a Fiat. In this case is a Fiat Panda 4x4 169 model. But I believe, if I'm not very much mistaken, that this should apply to the two-wheel drive version as well. So you'll see if you look here, you'll see there's one bolt at the top, which is on a sliding aperture. See how you get room to adjust there. Bolt in below that, which I'm not sure you can see on camera, but it is just, there it is, that's the one there. A bolt there as well. And a bolt at the top, which is a 17mm, the other two are 16mm, so this is a 17mm here. For this bit here, you'll need a spanner attached to this one, and a socket, 17mm socket attached to this one to loosen it off. You need to loosen this one off. I would loosen this one off first, then this one, then one at the bottom, and then to make it, obviously in these cases mostly you're going to be tensioning the belt if it's squealing, to make it stop squealing. So once you have it, so you can pretty much pull it up or down. You just push your weight on it down the way, and it should move and tension the belt. At that point, you can then, while keeping the weight on it, because it does have a tendency to spring back up because of the tension of the belt, you can tighten up the top bolt and with the spanner on. The spanner on this side should come round and hit on this hard part here to stop it turning any further. So you can use with just one hand for that one, and then use the 16mm socket, tighten that one up. Then the bottom bolt, you may have difficulty getting the 16mm socket back on it, so I would recommend an elbow joint, just to make it that little bit easier. A socket extension may work, but there's not a lot of room there, so it depends how big the socket extension is. But that's basically how it's tensioned. Thanks very much for watching, guys.